Hello students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So students, it's a time to discuss the problems based on string slicing. Okay? So before starting this video, before watching this video, you should watch my previous video regarding string slicing. If you haven't seen my previous video regarding string slicing, then you will not get anything in this video. Okay? So let's start one by one. We will create a program of these given five problems. Okay, so let's read the first problem. Check the given string or number is palindrome or not. Okay, so in this problem you have to check the given string or number is palindrome or not. What is palindrome? In the previous videos I have told you. So what is palindrome? What suppose we have a number or a string. If I reversed it, if your reverse string or original string is same, then the string or number is palindrome, otherwise not. Okay, so how can we, so in this problem first of all we will find the reverse of the string, then we will compare our reverse string to the original string. Okay, if your reverse string and original string is same, then we will print string is palindrome, otherwise not. Okay, so let's start to make the program. It's very simple. So first of all, write down the message. Suppose your string is right, string or number, you can write anything. Put enter the string of the number. Okay, now how can we find out the reverse of the string using string slicing? It's very simple. Suppose I am storing my reverse string equals to, using string slicing, what is the logic? It's very simple. Write down string is my variable, and here you will write down colon minus 1. Okay, so this is the way to find out the reverse of the string using string slicing. Okay, now this is my original string and here I am storing my reverse string. Now compare the both the string. If string equals to reverse string, okay, then print what? Yes, given string is palindrome. Okay, otherwise print else print no given string is not palindrome. Okay, save your program, run your program, write down any number and any string. For example, I have written down 1 2 3 4 and 3 2 1. Okay, now you can see the 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 is, so it means yes, is given string is palindrome. Okay, let's take another example. Enter RLVN. So no given string is not palindrome. Okay, so this is the shortest way to check the given number or string is palindrome or not. Okay, so let's move to the next problem. So take the date from the user and DDMMYY format. Okay, and convert it into DDMMYY format like this. You will take the date in this format and you will convert it into like this. Okay, so here write down the message date, input, enter the date enter the date in DD, MM, YYYY format. Okay. Hmm. So you have, what you will do, so in this program, first of all you will take two characters from this string. After that you will leave this character. After then you will take two characters more, and after that you will take the last two characters. Okay. So to understand this problem, you have to understand about the its index value, its positional value. So what is the positional value of this? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in this way. Okay. So now the first two, the what is the index value of first two character? That is 0 and 1. Okay. So what you will do? D equals to date and 0 to 3, because this is the end value, and it always it takes the value less than 1. Okay, so it will take 0, 1, 2, but you have to write down 2 here. So it will take 0 and 1. Okay, this is these are the required characters. Okay, now this is our day. Now month equals to, so here month, what will be the month? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you will write down date, 3 and 4. Okay, because it takes the value less than 1 here, so that's why I am writing 5. Okay, and year equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so here you will write down date 8 colon 10. Okay, now the final date equals to, sorry, final date equals to D plus M plus Y. Okay, now print final date. Now print final date. Okay, save your program and run. Now enter the date. For example, 23rd 07 2020. Okay, what is final date? Should not defined. Okay. Okay, here the spelling of final is incorrect, and I have used the final in small letters. That's why it is the problem. Final YNL. Okay. Save your program and run it. And you did it 23rd 07 2020. Now you can see your date is printed in the given format. Okay, 23 07 20, 23 07 20. Okay, let's move to the next problem. So next problem is little bit interesting. In your roll number, okay, suppose your board roll number has 13 characters. Okay, in the 13 characters you have starting 4 characters belongs to the session, the next 3 characters belongs to your school code, and next 3 characters are for your center code, and last 3 characters for your student's code. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to separate session, school code, center code and student code from the roll. Suppose your roll number is this, so here the first 4 character 2020 will be of session, the next 3 character 2, 3, 4 is your school code, next 4, 5, 6 is your center code, and last 3 character belongs to the student code. Okay, so what you will do, first of all you will find out the length of the roll number. If your roll number is less than 13 or more than 13, so in this case your roll number will be invalid. So first of all you will check the length of the given roll number is 13 or not. If it is not 13, then roll number is invalid. Okay, after that you will separate session, school code, center code, student code from the given string by using string slice. Okay. Okay, so first of all write down roll number. Okay, so roll number equals to input enter your roll number. Okay, now what you will do, you will find out the length. Write down the message. If length function is used to find out the length of the string. Length, your roll number is not equals to 30. If the length of the roll number is not equals to 30, in this case you will print what? Invalid roll number. Okay, invalid roll. Else what you will do? Else in this case, first your starting 4 character belongs to session, so write down session. Session equals to roll number and check the starting 4. You need starting 4 characters, so it will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so write down here it will start from 0 to 3, but you have to given one character more, one length more. So 0, it will take 0, 1, 2 and 3. It will take starting 4 character. Okay, so this is the session, and next one is the school code. Okay, and the school code is 04567. Okay, school code equals to roll number 567. You need 567, so write down 80 here. Okay, so it will take 56 character number 567. Next is center code. Center code equals to roll number. It will start from 8. It will start from 8, 9, 10. Okay, 8, 9, 10. It will start from 8, 9, 10. So you will write down 11 here. 8, 9, 10. Next one is student code. Student code equals to roll number. It will start from 11 to last. So leave it blank. Okay, or you can write down 11, 12, 13. So write down 14. You can leave it blank, or you can leave it blank, or you can write down 14, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so now print your message, or you can write down print directly. Okay, no need to write down the print session equals to this print school code like this. Print student code. Student code. Okay, like this. Okay. And print center code. The code equals to like this. Okay. Okay, save the program and run it. So enter your roll number, enter your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have written 14 characters, so it will print invalid roll number. Okay, so run your program again. Enter your roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in this case it will print 5236. Okay, now 589, sorry 589, one thing is missing, 0 1 2 3, and it will start from 4. So what we have write down here, 4. It will start from 4 5 6 4 5 6. So here 7, and here you will add 7 to 7 8 9. So here you will add 10, and it will start from 10 to 30. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, the starting 4 character belongs to session, next 3 characters belongs to school code, next 3 characters belongs to center code, and the last 3 character 589 belongs to your school code. Okay, so in this way you can separate all these 4 things. Okay, let's move to the next problem. So make a password of a student using his or her name and date of birth. As you are using your password, your RLVM has provided the password. Similarly, you will create your password. You have to create a program. For example, the student name is Ankur. What you will do, you have to separate these 4 characters A and KU, and date of birth is this. So in this case, 12 05 and 05. Okay, it is similar to the program number 2. Okay, so in this program I have separated the date. So in this way you will separate the day, month and year, and it should print the password like this. First of all, it will take the 4 character, and after that you have to include, you have to join @ sign, and you will take the date. In this way you have to create a password. Okay, let's start. First of all, enter your name. Okay, first of all take the name and write down here name. Now date of birth. Okay, DOB. DOB equals to input, enter your date of birth. Okay, and write down the format also. Enter your date of birth in DD by format. Okay, now what will be your password? Your password will be password equals to what? So first of all, you have to take the 4 characters from the name. So you will write down name equals to, name. It will start from 0, and you need 4 characters, so write down 5 here. Okay, so it will take 0 1 2 3. So you have to write down 4 here. So it will take 0 1 2 3. It will take 4 characters. Okay, now after that, plus you have to include the @ sign. Include the @ sign plus. Then DOB, starting 2 characters, 0 1. You need 0 1, so you write down 2 0 1. After that, DOB, next 2 characters, 0 1 2 3. You need 3 and 4, so write down 3 2 5. It will take 3 and 4. Okay, next plus DOB, you need 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So you will write down 8 to 10. Okay, so in this way you will create your password. Okay, now print your password. Print password age. Okay. Now save the program and try to run it. Enter your name. For example, your name is Ankur Singh. Okay, date of birth, for example, 12/5/2005. So it is your password. Okay, students. So you have to understand these problems, you have to revise your string slicing. Okay. So next and last problem is a little bit different. To check given number is Armstrong or not. Okay. So first of all, you should know what is Armstrong number. Suppose your number, you have a number like this 345. So first of all, check what is the length of this number. How many characters are present in this number? The three characters are three letters, three digits are present in this number 1, 2, and 3. So what is the length? 3. So what you have to do, you have to separate each digit and you have to put the power equals to the length. Here length is 3. So you have to find out the 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3, and 5 to the power 3. After evaluating, you will get 316. Now you have to check your original number is equal to this number. If this number is equal to this number, then your number is Armstrong, otherwise not. So in this example, 345 is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So what you will do to solve this problem, it is not related to string slicing. It's a simple problem. Okay. So first of all, you will find out the length of the string. Then you will take the one digit one by one and you will put the power and you will continuously sum the sum of each digit. Okay, you will store the sum of each digit in the separate variable. After that, you will compare your output to the original number. Okay, now, then after that you will check the condition. Okay, so let's try to make the program. Okay, first of all, write down your number. Your number equals to write down the number input, enter the number. Okay, after the sorry, you will write down in here single quotes also. Okay, there is no foundation to write down the double quotes. You can write down the single quotes also, or even triple quotes also. Okay, enter the number. After entering the number, what you will do, you have to find out the length. Okay, using a length function, you will find out the length, means you are counting the number of characters. So L equals to length, what? N. So it will store the length of the characters, length of the string, length of the number. And what you have to do, you have a number like R. Okay, the temp variables, you can take a variable temp. Okay, temp equals to 0. Now for I in N, what will it do? It will store individual character, the character one by one in I. Okay. Now temp equals to temp plus what? You have to temp equals to temp into what? You have to put the power that will be equal to the length. Okay, so you will take I exponent of what? L. But here, yeah, I is in the format of character. It is I is character. So what you have to do, you have to convert it into integers. Okay, because the exponent function, mathematical function, will work on integer or float number. Okay, so you have to convert the character into integer. Okay, so it will evaluate. For example, your number is for example, your number is 153. Okay, or 131536. So what is the length? The length is 4. First of all, what is the value of n? The value of n is 1536. The initial value of I will be 1. So it will evaluate 1 to the power 4. Okay. And the next character will be 5. So it will evaluate 5 to the power 4. Next 3 to the power 4. After evaluation, it will store into temp one by one. Okay, continuously it will store in the temp. Okay. Now after evaluating this, you will check your number is Armstrong or not. So what you will do, you will compare if temp equals to n, but here temp it is an integer, but n is in string, so you have to convert this string into integer. Okay, Teacher temp equals to integer. Then we have to print given number is Armstrong. Okay, else print given number is not Armstrong. So this is the way to check your given number is Armstrong or not. Save your program and try to run it. Or you enter your number 153 here. Given number is Armstrong. Now, okay, if you can check 1 cube is 1, 5 cube 125, 3 cube 27. So 125, 120, 152 plus 1, 153. So given number is Armstrong. Okay. Now you can check another number. Enter another number of like 5672. So given number is not Armstrong. Okay, students. So enough for this session. To know, you have to watch the videos again and again to know about the programs related to string slicing. Okay, and you have to revise your previous videos also. Okay, thank you, students. Have a nice day. Be healthy. Be safe.